Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for February 24 to March 2, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see Leo, what's up for this week? Records. Meron kang mga ayusin na paperworks. Pwedeng kahit ano to. Permits, registration, mga requirements that you need to know about your family or yung mga documents for your properties or sa school, sa studies mo. Yung iba naman, if you have plans of, traveling abroad or moving to migrating, so nag-aasikaso ka ng paperworks. Some of you, this is about your Akashic records. So para dun sa iba na hindi wala kayong idea sa Akashic records, this is your past life na records, kung ano yung nangyari sa inyo in your past. So para dun sa mga into that, no, sa mga na naniniwala sa ganyan, maaring magko-consult kayo sa isang isang nagbabasa ng Akashic records. Okay, let's see what else. Sleeping man unconscious. Okay, this is something parang yung iba sa inyo, Leo, baka kayo ay you will undergo hypnotism, yung parang hypnotherapy, ganyan, or some sort na yung parang hini-hypnotize ka, and then yun yung session na yon will help you to remember your past or to see kung ano yung kailangan mong i-work on sa sarili mo. Some of you naman, mga sleeping habits nyo na ito, no? Sleeping habits na aayusin ninyo. Maaring kayo ay magte-take na ng supplements, vitamins, para kayo ay magkaroon ng masarap na tulog. Diba? Detox. You are releasing negative energies. Anything na alam mong hindi nakakatulong sa'yo, especially sa yung physical self. Kahit anong detox to, pwedeng digital detox. Iiwas ka muna sa social media or maglilelo ka sa paggamit ng devices mo. Or yung iba naman, this is about yung health detox, no? May mga iniinom na nakakapag-cleanse ng body. Mas gusto mo ngayon mas healthier lifestyle, Leo. So your overall energy is the Hanged Man. Alam nyo, I'm sensing yung kalmadong energy for you, na you are seizing the day, seizing the moment. Yung parang hindi mo minamadali ang mga bagay-bagay sa paligid mo. Oo. Pinag-iisipan mo. Some of you, meron kayong gustong gawin pero hindi nyo pa ginagawa. Dahil iniiwasan nyo na magkamali ulit. Your challenge is the Tower. Okay. So, some of you, meron ditong unexpected change or event sa buhay mo na hindi mo na maiiwasan. Ano tong the Tower? 5th house. Oh my God. Okay. Leo, if you are sexually active, maaring yung iba sa inyo ay buntis. Okay? Or sa anyone in your family. Yung iba naman, magkakaroon kayo ng unexpected creative idea na hindi nyo akalain na gagawin nyo, pero gagawin nyo kasi naniniwala kayo sa talents and skills nyo. So I feel like there is something na parang meron kang i-break i-break mo yung iyong limitation. Parang kakawala ka sa isang sitwasyon. na naglilimita sa'yo. Your opportunity is the Eight of Swords. O, diba? Kasasabi ko lang na kayo ay kakawala sa isang limitasyon because Eight of Swords is like your self-limiting beliefs and this is your opportunity na umalis sa limitasyon na binibigay mo sa sarili mo. Minsan kasi natatakot tayo sa ibang bagay na paano kung hindi mag-workout, paano kung magkamali ka, edi charge to experience. At least, natutunan mo yung lesson, 'di ba? But I feel like you have the opportunity right now to break free sa sitwasyon mo na parang preventing you of becoming a better version of yourself. Oh, ang ganda. This is your blessing. Healing. Yung iba sa inyo, continuous yung pag-focus nyo sa pag-aalaga sa sarili ninyo. Yung iba, meron kayong pina-follow na spiritual habits. You're becoming more spiritual and it's really helping you to heal from your past. Some of you, meron kayong wish fulfillment. Unti-unti na natatanggap nyo na ang inyong blessings or yung mga wishes ninyo. You have the 6th house, so this is good health for some of you. And also, 6th house is your work. So, maaring meron kang blessing pagdating sa trabaho. Pwedeng unexpected blessing sa work. You also have the house. This is about your stability. So, you're focusing on your stability. May mga birds. Oh, okay. Some of you, pinag-uusapan kayo ng ibang tao sa paligid ninyo. Pwedeng they are curious about you. Especially that nakikita nila na nag-grow ka, nakikita nila na nag-i-improve ka, nakikita nila na gumaganda yung buhay mo. So, pinag-uusapan nila, ano kayong ginagawa ni Leo? Bakit parang ang ganda na ng kanyang buhay ngayon? So, sa money, career, finances, you need to balance your career and personal life. So, importante raw na work-life balance. Okay? Hindi lang puro trabaho-trabaho. Make time for yourself. And then, diba? Make time for yourself, biglang self-care. So, for this week, focus mo ang iyong sarili. Na maalagaan mo yung needs mo. You are attending to your needs. Perfect trust will be rewarded with its like. So, this is you trusting yourself, trusting your decisions. Kapag meron kang tiwala sa sarili mo, marami kang kayang ma-achieve. So, you will be rewarded if you believe. Diba? Pag naniwala ka sa kakayanan mo, sa mga pangarap mo. So, that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.